Gentleman12 here, and welcome back to another product review. Today we are checking out Munch Pak once again, because you know, I love doing these Munch Paks, and every time I get one, it's always filled with surprises. So, I had subscribed to a 3-month prepaid service back in December, or it could have been December or November. Now, this is my last and third box of my 3-month subscription. I will probably subscribe to them again if you guys want me to. Let me know in the comments section below. But if you guys would like to relive all of my Munch Pak reviews, I will also link a playlist to all of my videos that I have done with Munch Pak. And if you like to take an opportunity to actually subscribe to Munch Pak, there's also a link at almost at the top of the description. It's a $3 off your first box. All the information in the description as well. So let's get to our third original box unboxing. Of course, you guys know every time you get a Munch Pak, you get one of these cards, just to letting you know on who assembled your Munch Pak. So this is made just for you by Jason. Thank you very much, Jason. First snack is these Glazed Popcorn, and I have done one of these before. It was the birthday cake Glazed Popcorn, which I didn't really like, but this one might be different. It's chocolate and vanilla. So chocolate vanilla glazed popcorn. Okay, this. Ooh, smells pretty good. You can definitely tell there's some sort of chocolate. Actually pretty good. I'm gonna give this a 4 out of 5. So it's definitely pretty good. Sweetness of the chocolate. You can definitely taste that vanilla. So it's like the combination, like they said, it's a twist combination of chocolate and vanilla. You can definitely taste the chocolate and vanilla. Okay, so we got some chips, flavored pizza. In the back, there's different flavors. Okay, so I think I got the most interesting flavor. Oh, that definitely smells like pizza. So it's some sort of chip in the form of a pizza. Tastes like a cheesy, but pizza. A pizza cheesy. These are pretty good. When it comes to snacks like these, I do prefer salty snacks over the sweet ones. Don't get me wrong, I do like sweet snacks, but when it comes to Munch Pak, I'd rather have salty snacks. For me, I find that these salty and savory snacks tends to be a little bit better than the sweet ones, but I do enjoy both of them. But I'm just expressing on how I feel on which one I prefer, the salty or the sweet. Yeah, it tastes like a cheesy, but in a pizza form, cheesy. Really good. I'm gonna give this a 4 out of 5 as well. I got this muffin, or is it a cupcake? Yeah, actually it's a cupcake. It's a chocolate chip flavored cupcake. This looks good. I love the fact that there's chocolate chips. So there's eggs, contains amount of sesame, walnuts, hazelnut, almond, cashews, pistachios, coconut, pecans, and peanuts. Okay, so this, okay. Smells pretty good. Wow, I'm just blown away. The moisture in this muffin, it's not dry, it's nice and moist. The chocolate chips are coming through fantastically. It's not sweet, it's not overly sweet, but just has that right amount of sweetness. Wow, I'm just blown away. 5 out of 5. I have to rate it right now. 5 out of 5 from me to you. This is definitely an awesome cupcake. I might finish it all. This is awesome. You gotta try that cupcake. If you can scan the barcode of that cupcake and order some, you have to order some. It is the most delicious cupcake I've ever had. Chocolatey, moist. Okay, so we got these gummies now, some gummy worms. I am not sure what kind they are. Haribo worms. It tells me I'm supposed to. Oh, like this. Okay. So they kind of look like just normal gummy worms. That is some good gummy worms. And if you guys know me very well, ask anyone that knows me, I love gummy worms. Gummy worms, gummy bears, those are my favorite. So I'm glad Munch Pak decided to send me some gummy worms this month. This 5 out of 5. Okay, I'm going to do these just to get them out of the way because I really don't like tea, green tea, anything made with green tea. So I got these cookies. I'm pretty sure I had done this last month. Last month it was banana and chocolate, if I can recall. But these ones are now matcha green tea cream. So I'm not sure if I'll like these, but we'll give them a shot. They smell like green tea, that's for sure. Okay, so little koalas. I think that's little koalas or little pandas. Pandas, not koalas. Pandas. Okay, I'm not gonna say that they're bad. They're not as bad as what I thought they were. Would I eat them again? Probably not. I'm probably gonna give them to someone that loves green tea. I'm glad that I did get to try them. They do have great flavors. That cream's coming through with that green tea. I'm gonna give this a 3 out of 5. I'm not gonna give it a lower rating because I'm actually quite surprised on how the flavors are. I just don't like them, but they're pretty good for those who love green tea. So if you guys love green tea, check these out. Okay, so I got these Wrap Snacks Wavy, and I had a chip, I think last month or the month before that, and they were the sour cream and a dab of ranch. And I think it was by the same company, Wrap Snacks. I'm not sure. I would have to go look back at my old videos. But when it comes to snacks being delivered in Munch Pak, like chips, you're not gonna expect that they're gonna be staying in the actual size that they were shipped originally. So if you guys want to take a minute and scan that QR code. Sometimes you need those bad days because it helps you truly appreciate the good ones. That's actually true. Ooh. These are really seasoned. Okay, a little bossy Louisiana heat. Okay, so look at that spice on this chip. Wow. Let's see. Oh. Oh. That is hot. Oh. Oh my. Oh my. I can't see myself eating a whole bag of that. Oh, that is hot. What's in here? Kind of tastes like I just kind of tastes like I just get ghost pepper seasoning. Oh, that is strong. Oh. I don't like those. Actually, I don't like those. 1 out of 5. Oh, That is hot. I can tolerate a bit of spice, but that is so hot. Whoa. I can't handle that. Let's get to another snack. Sour candies. And we also have this chocolate wafer. And like I said before, I feel like that wafers are very popular when it comes to Munch Pak. I feel like I'm getting sent Munch Pak wafers all the time. So let's try this one. This actually has a taste of peanut butter. This is actually pretty good. Tastes like it gives a creamy texture, a crunchy texture as well, but that goes that creaminess. It tastes like peanut butter. Wow, I'm quite surprised about that. If you guys can find this, check this out. Wow, I'm gonna give this 5 out of 5 from me to you. This is pretty good. Kind of seems like the ones I got last month in a big tin. Okay, so they look like wafers that you probably would eat with a cup of coffee. I do prefer this one over these roll wafers. These aren't that bad, but I prefer this one. This one gets a 5 out of 5. This, I would have to give this a 3 out of 5. It's not bad. So we got 2 sour candies. We're gonna try them both at once. Okay, this is a sour. What is this? Sour dupers. Kind of like a sour ball. Okay, then we got sour smog balls. Whatever that is. I don't know. The other night I actually had some warheads. I don't know if anything can come close to being sour as the extreme warheads I had like a few nights ago. So these are the sour balls. Okay. Now sourness is coming. Not sour though. Now there's a little sour. Whew. Let's try this sour, I'm not sure, dupers? Oh, not sour. These are not sour. These are sour, not these. These are sour super dupers, and they're raspberry flavor. Yeah, you could definitely taste the raspberry, but not sour. These are good, actually. These are pretty good candies. Chewies, raspberry flavors definitely coming through, but these are just, woo, sour. So, for these, I would have to give them a 3 out of 5. This I would have to give it a 4 out of 5 because this is way better than those sour balls. So I'm quite surprised. I think between this one and last month, this one has a lot more unique and more like snacks that I enjoy. But I do highly recommend, if you guys want to try this out, you guys want to take an opportunity to order your first Munch Pak, take advantage of my code. Link will be up in the description. It gives you $3 off your first subscription box. I definitely recommend it. A link to a playlist to all of my Munch Pak reviews will also be in the description, so feel free to check it all out. Hope you guys did enjoy this review. As always, if you guys did and you guys want to see more, give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to continue seeing more Munch Pak reviews like this one. All my links to my social media will be in the description, so do follow me on Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook for upcoming reviews, vlogs, and of course cooking videos. So until next time, peace out.